I'm sitting in the car getting ready to go out, make another hit, you know, after waiting all day. Bring the car around, get to the staging lanes. There's no one left. It's just me and I think it was a Camaro at the time. They pull us both right in, go around the burnout box, get the car, you know, staged up, ready to leave. Get the car up on boost. We raise the RPMs a little bit and go to launch the car. The car finally hooks, goes to leave exactly how I want it to. And then I hear a huge thud, you know. And next thing you know, the bottom of the car is getting beat up by something. I pull the car over like you're supposed to and just wait, you know, obviously disheartened because the car finally felt great. They hooked to me with the little golf cart, pulled me backwards to the starting line. I hop out to see what's going on with it, and drive shaft ripped the pinion right off the rear differential, which is a really common thing with these cars, you know. The next step is to try to figure out, you know, what I do to make sure this doesn't happen again. You know, I've bought everything I can buy up until this point, I think, to make that thing as strong as it can be, but stock Subaru rear differential was never designed to make the kind of power this thing's making, you know. So I guess we're up to see what we can do to make sure this doesn't happen again. So after talking with a couple of the guys that I work with and a friend of mine who's heavy in the drift community, figured out that the Nissan 370Z rear diff is quite strong. With those cars, all the power goes through the rear diff. The Subarus, as we all know, they get split 4 ways. So we decided to give that a try. But one of the biggest challenges we faced with putting this rear diff in the car was how are we going to mount it? And luckily we reached out to TSS Fab and they helped us with the solution. With their kit came with everything we needed to bolt it in. So we got the T-brace, the trailing arms, and also the actual crossbar, the actual mount that holds the differential up. After getting the rear diff mounted into the car and we had all our clearance issues taken care of, last thing we had to do was measure out everything for the axles and the drive shaft. And we reached out to obviously the best drive shaft shops, so right now they're fabricating everything we need to